Hello students, now we are continuing the next examples of exercise 5.2, that is question number 2. Find the position vector of midpoint M joining the points L 7, minus 6, 12 and N is 5, 4, minus 2. In answer, let we take the points L, M and N. Here M is joining of the midpoint and L and N 2 points. Therefore, let we take the small L bar, small M bar and N bar are the position vectors of the above points, that is L, M and N. Capital L, capital M and N respectively. Where the points L and M, suppose point L here and point N here, L and N point, and point M is midpoint of L and N, that is M point. Its position vectors capital L, that is L bar, N, that is small n bar, and M, that is small m bar. Therefore, we know that the midpoint formula M is equal to L bar plus N bar divided by 2. Here point L and M is given, therefore we write here point L is equal to 7 minus 6, 12. Then we find its L bar is equal to 7 into I cap minus 6 J cap plus 12 K cap. And we know that the point N is equal to 5, 4, minus 2. Then we find its small n bar is equal to 5 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 2 K cap. And M is given midpoint here. M is the midpoint of capital L and N. Therefore, we use here midpoint formula. We know that by midpoint formula, that is M bar is equal to L bar plus N bar divided by 2. Put the values of here L bar and N bar. Then we know that the values of L bar and N bar, that is L bar is 7 I cap minus 6 J cap plus 12 K cap. Put here seven I cap minus 6 J cap plus 12 K cap, and plus value of N bar is 5 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 2 K cap. 5 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 2 K cap and divided by 2. Then is equal to, we write the points 7 I cap minus 6 J cap plus 12 K cap as it is, plus 5 I cap plus we get plus 4 J cap plus minus 2 K cap divided by 2. Then 7 I cap plus 5 j cap, we get 12 I cap is equal to 12 I cap minus 6 j cap plus 4 j cap, we get minus 2 j cap. Then plus 12 k cap minus 2 k cap, we get plus 10 k cap divided by 2. It is the value of m bar, 12 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 10 k cap divided by 2. Then take common 2 point, then remaining term is 6 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap divided by 2. Then 2 to get cancelled and we get the value is m bar is equal to 6 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap. Therefore, we write point M is equal to, in bracket 6, coefficient of j is minus 1, coefficient of k is 5. 6 minus 1 and 5. Therefore, the position vector of midpoint we get, that is, therefore, position vector of midpoint is, that is 6 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap. It is the position vector of midpoint M. Then next question is question number 3. If the points A 3 0 P, then B minus 1 Q 3 and C, that is minus 3 3 0 are collinear, then find number first the ratio in which the point C divides the line segment AB, and number second the values of P and Q. Here we find the ratio in which the point C divides the line segment AB, ratio, and the values of P and Q. Ratio or value of P and Q find. Then in answer A, B and C we take here its position vectors, that is small a bar, B bar and small c bar are the position vectors of the given point, that is A, B and capital C respectively. And point A, B and C also given. Here we know that the point A is equivalent to 30P. 30P. Then we write A bar, its position vector, is equal to 3 into I cap plus 0 into j cap plus P into k cap. That is, we get the value of A bar is equal to 3 I cap plus P k cap, because value of j cap is 0. And also B is equivalent to minus 1 Q and 3. That is minus 1 Q 3. Then we find its vector position. Therefore position of the B bar is equal to minus I cap plus Q j cap plus 3 k cap. Then last point C, that is equivalent to value is minus 3, 3 and 0. That is, value of C is minus 3, 3 and 0 is given. Minus 3, 3 and 0. Therefore, the value of C bar is equal to minus 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 0 k cap. Then it is also we write minus 3 I cap plus 3 j cap. Therefore C bar is equal to minus 3 I cap plus 3 j cap. We get the values of 3 I cap and 3 j cap. And in question we have to given the 3 points A, B and C are collinear condition. Therefore the given points capital A, B and C are collinear. Then we write the AB bar is equal to M into BC bar और AC bar, दोनों में से कौन सा भी लिख सकते हैं here. Then we know that the position vector of AB bar and BC bar, that is in the place of AB bar we put position vector of B bar minus position vector of A bar, that is small b bar minus A bar. Therefore B bar minus A bar we have already studied about is equal to M in bracket position vector of BC bar, that is C bar minus B bar. We will give equation number first here. Then we write B bar minus A bar is equal to multiply M into C, we get MC bar minus MB bar. Then rearrange the above equation and we get B bar plus MB bar, change the side, we get minus MB bar is plus MB bar here. Then MB bar minus A bar is equal to MC bar. B bar is common term, then B bar in bracket 1 plus M remaining term, then minus A bar is equal to MC bar. Then we find the value of C bar. Therefore we write C bar is equal to M plus 1 into B bar minus A bar divided by this M. It is also we write C bar is equal to M plus 1 into B bar minus A bar divided by M plus 1 minus 1, means not change the value of M. 1 get cancelled, we get here M. It is also we write MB bar minus NA bar divided by M minus M. Therefore the point C divide the line segment, that's reason we write the value of C bar is equal to such a way. Therefore the point C divide the line AB externally in ratio, that is M plus 1 has to 1. Ratio is, that is M plus 1 has to 1. That is the from equation number first. Its ratio is M plus 1 has to 1. Then from equation number first we write again B bar minus A bar is equal to M into C bar minus B bar. B bar minus A bar is equal to M into C bar minus B bar. Then put the values of here B bar, A bar, C bar, and we get, we know that the value of B bar, that is given minus I cap plus QJ cap plus 3K cap. then minus I cap plus qj cap plus 3 k cap. It is the value of b bar. Then value of a bar, that is 3i cap plus pk cap. Then put here minus 3i cap plus p into k cap. It is the value of b bar minus a bar. Then is equal to m into c bar minus b bar. Then m here, and value of c bar, that is minus 3i cap plus 3j cap. M in bracket minus 3i cap plus 3j cap, and minus b bar, value of b bar is, we know that minus I cap plus qj cap plus 3k cap. Then we write here minus in minus I cap plus qj cap plus 3k cap. Then we solve and we get the values of about term. First term b bar we write as it is, minus I cap plus qj cap plus 3k cap. Then we multiply minus, we get minus 3i cap minus p k cap, that is equal to m in bracket minus 3i cap plus 3j cap plus I cap minus qj cap minus 3k cap. Then we write the values. Minus I cap minus 3i cap, we get minus 4i cap. qj cap, then here j term is not, then we write qj cap. 3k cap minus pk cap, k is common term, then we write in bracket 3 minus p and common term k cap is equal to m in bracket minus 3i cap plus I cap, we get minus 2i cap. Then 3j cap minus qj cap, j is common term and remaining term we write 3 minus q into j cap minus 3k cap, only minus 3k cap. Therefore then we write minus 4i cap plus qj cap plus 3 minus p into k cap is equal to, we multiply m and we get minus 2m into I cap plus 3 minus q m into j cap minus 3m into k cap. Therefore we use the equality of vectors. Therefore by equality of vectors, then we get the values of minus 4i cap is equal to minus 2m I cap, that is equal term I get cancelled, we get minus 4 is equal to minus 2m, we will give equation number second. Then second term qj cap is equal to minus 3 minus q plus 3 minus q into mj cap, 3 minus q into mj cap, j cap get cancelled, then we get q is equal to 3 minus q into m, we will give equation number 3. Then last term 3 minus p into k cap, 3 minus p into k cap is equal to minus 3m k cap. Minus p into k cap is equal to minus 3m into k cap. K cap get cancelled, and we get the value is 3 minus p is equal to minus 3m. We will give equation number 4. From equation second we write, from equation number second, then we write minus 4 is equal to minus 2m. Therefore, m is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 2, we get plus 2. Then we write from equation 2 the value of m is equal to 2. Put m is equal to 2 in equation number third. We put this value in equation number third, that is q is equal to 3 minus q into m. In the place of q, m we put the value is 2. Therefore equation third is q is equal to 3 minus q into m is equal to 3 minus q into 2 is equal to 6 minus 2q. Therefore we write q plus 2q. Rearrange the above equation is equal to 6. Therefore 3q is equal to 6q plus 2q, we get 3q. Therefore q is equal to 6 divided by 3, and we get the value of q is equal to 2. We get here value of q. Put the value of m is equal to 2 in equation number 4. We put value this in equation 4. Therefore put m is equal to 2 in equation number 4. Then we write first equation number 4, that is 3 minus p is equal to minus 3m. Then we put here 3 minus p is equal to minus 3 into m is 2. Therefore 3 minus p is equal to minus 6. Therefore minus p is equal to minus 6 minus 3. Therefore minus p is equal to minus 9. We multiply both the sides of above equation minus 1. We get value of p is equal to 9. We get here the value of p is equal to 9.